Hey, good morning. There is a subway shooting, a mass shooting in Brooklyn. Breaking news. They say it's by a school. Yeah. Oh, so she's an employee. She said it was about 9. There was commotion, cops' cars pulling up. Several people were shot. Happening right now. It's live. Check on your people in Brooklyn. 13 people injured, 5 people shot. They are evacuating the stores, shops by the and the schools. They're talking about how people were running out of the subway station for safety shortly after 8:30, so it was crowded. I'm trying to see what they're saying about the suspect. So check on your people in Brooklyn. They're talking about no kids by the windows that are at school. This is inside the subway station, moments right after. See her limping? So he was shooting innocent people on the train. 5 were shot, 2 serious, 13 total injuries. Wow. Check on your people. I'll check back.